Hi guys, for this video we are going to answer a sample problem in conic sections, particularly in ellipse. So here's the problem. A new city park is designed with a rectangular pond that has an elliptical shape. The length of the major axis of the pond is 60 meters and the distance between the foci is 20 meters. Now what is the length of the semi-minor axis of the elliptical pond? Okay, to find the length of the semi-minor axis of the elliptical pond, we can use the following relationship for ellipse. C squared equals A squared minus B squared. No? Ito yung formula na ginagamit natin para mahanap yung value ng C. And alam natin na si C is the distance from the center of the ellipse papuntang vertex. So, C squared equals A squared minus B squared, where A is the length of the semi-major axis, B is the length of the semi-minor axis. Ito yung hinahanap natin. C is the distance from the center of the ellipse to each focus. Step 1, find the semi-major axis or yung A. The length of the major axis is given as 60 meters. So, ang semi-major axis niyan, i-divide mo lang sa 2. So, A equals 60 over 2. And that is 30 meters. Step 2 tayo. Find the distance from the center to each focus. So, the distance between the foci is 20 meters. Between the foci. Ibig sabihin, kung kukunin natin yung distance from the center papunta sa isang focus, that is 20 over 2. And that is your C. 20 over 2 is 10. So, 10 meters ang value ng C mo. Now, step 3, use now the relationship to solve for B. Substitute the values of A and C into the equation. And then, by using formula transformation or transposition, pwede nating makuha yung value ng B. And we will get a distance of 28.28 meters. Thus, the length of the semi-minor axis is approximately 28.28 meters. Sana nakatulong sa inyo, no? And lagi niyong tatandaan na kapag ganitong mga problem, unang-una, aalamin natin kung ano yung hinahanap. Pangalawa, ano na ba yung mga given? Pangatlo, ano yung formula na pwede nating gamitin? Ano yung mga formula na pwede nating gamitin para ma-solve natin yung isang problem? Ayan, thank you so much and see you next time.